I feel like cricket is boring because we have to there's a bat, there's a ball, just we have to hit. But in the football even it's very boring. Just kick and a goal. You can't even hit out of the stadium, but take it. It's not my phone, it's your okay. Keep on yourself. No, Doraemon! Shinchan! Doraemon! Shinchan! Doraemon! Shinchan! Okay.
सो हाय व्यूअर्स, वेलकम बैक टू द किड्स सेक्शन ऑफ वर इंग्लिश एकेडमी। सो आज अपनी क्लास में कराने वाले हैं एक बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग सेशन जिसका नाम है कन्विंसिंग कॉन्वर्सेशन, जिसमें बेसिकली बच्चे अपनी चीजों को लेके एक दूसरे को कन्विंस करने वाले हैं, चाहे वो बात हो किसी ट्रिप की, चाहे वो बात हो किसी फ्रूट्स की, या फिर बात हो किसी गेम की। सो लेट मी टेल यू वेरी फर्स्ट सिचुएशन एंड इट इज गोइंग टू बी अबाउट टू बैचमेट्स. They are going to have their fun day on Friday. So they'll convince each other to play either cricket or football. And do you know the fun fact? At last, they are going to convince each other in a way like ma'am will come and she will decide what we will play. So let's see. And for that, I would like to call Prisha and Anumit on the stage. Clap for them, guys.
Oh yes, hi flying and important. Hi Anumit, how are you? I'm good Anumit, how are you? I am even good. Do you know that today is Friday? Yes, I know. And today is our games period, so today we will play football. No, but I want to play cricket. No, football is better. But cricket is better than the football. No, I feel like cricket is boring because cricket we have to there's a bat, there's a ball, just we have to hit, and once we get out, so next player will go. So, but in football, it's so interesting. But in the football even it's very boring. Just kick and a goal. You can't even hit out of the stadium. But you can make the ball out of the stadium as well. No, but I think both games are equal. Yes, we will decide that what we will play. Yes, okay.
It was a very fantastic performance given by Prisha and Anumit. They really convinced each other so superbly. But now I am going to tell you the second situation. And in this situation, there are two brothers and they are going to fight, or you can say convincing. They are going to convince each other for the food items. That which food item is better? Indian food items or Chinese food items. So let's call for this Adhyan and Lakshya.
Clap for them, guys.
Oh, it's Sunday. I am feeling so bored. Oh, then do you know? Today's our food day, Sunday. So we will bring Indian food. No, we will bring Chinese food. No. Yes, Chinese are very non-veg food. I know, but in Indians there are also non-veg, not in Chinese only. No. And there is so much oil also in India, and there are also so much spices that you will go again and again washroom.
Oh no.
In Indian food also there are so many spices, okay? So I was saying that samosa, we will not take any the other things. Chole bhature has spices. Yes, it's spicy. So let's take both of them. Okay, let's bring from. I will bring from Chinese app. You will bring from Blinkit. Okay, and we will share together. No, we will bring ramen of Chinese. Okay, or sushi also.
A few moments later.
My chole bhature. My Chinese. Take it. It's not my phone, it's your okay. Keep on yourself. Now let's eat. Let's eat.
Thank you.
Okay, so as we have seen the very energetic performance and the expressions of the students were so fantastic and amazing. For the third round, I would like to tell you the situation. And the situation is based on trick. As you know, we all like to go on a trip, right? So now two friends are going to come to convince each other that where they should go. Rishikesh or Manali. So let's call
Shreyansh and Rahil. Clap for them,
coming. I want to go on trip. So let me call Rakhil. Hello. Oh, it is Riyan's call. Let me pick up. Yes, Riyan, how are you? I'm great. What about you? I am also very good. I'm going on trip. So you want to go with me? Okay, come to my house. We will discuss it. Okay, I'm coming. Ding ding. Ish. Hi Prakhil, how are you? I am very good. What about you? I'm as like you. So I'm going Rishikesh. So, do you know I'm going Rishikesh? So you want to go with me? Let's go to Manali. No, it's very bad place. In Manali, there are so many mountains and there is really so much snow. In Rishikesh, there are also, we can do so many fun there and activities also. And the food of Rishikesh, wow, what an amazing food of Rishikesh. Wow, amazing food of Rishikesh. But we should go to Manali because it is more beautiful than Rishikesh. No, are you wrong? We want to go at Rishikesh. No, Manali. Rishikesh, Manali. You want to go Rishikesh, only Rishikesh. Okay, I have one idea. Let's leave Rishikesh. Let's leave Manali also. And let's go to Udaipur. Oh, nice idea. So, bye. I'm going my home and pack up my bags. And thank you.
So guys, as you have seen that how exactly they engaged each other in their conversation, and that was so natural and interesting. So now, without wasting any more time, I'm going to tell you the fourth situation, and it is based on brother and sister. हम सभी जानते हैं कि हमारे भाई बहनों में थोड़ा सा नोक झोंक तो चलता है. So now for this, I'm going to call Ayush and Sia.
Oh, I'm feeling very good. Oh, it's a time for Doraemon. No, it's a time watching Shin-chan. No, Doraemon. Shin-chan. Doraemon. Shin-chan. Doraemon. Shin-chan. Okay, but I'm watching Doraemon only. No. Shin-chan. No.
Huh?
No, Doraemon is a very good cartoon. And Shin-chan, very boring cartoon. In Doraemon, there are only gadgets. See, Shin-chan, they are eating something, playing our friends, and doing so fun, and we are also laughing. They haven't done food, so that's why you are saying they have eating food. No, but I like Shin-chan. No, I like Doraemon. See my sweater. It is a match. Oh, Shin-chan and Doraemon is done time. Oh, that is watch only Augie. Ow, this is so bad. Oh.
तो जैसा कि आप सभी ने इन सारे ही छोटे बच्चों को परफॉर्म करते हुए देखा और देखा कि कितने कॉन्फिडेंस और नेचुरल तरीके से उन्होंने अपनी बातों को एक दूसरे को समझाया. अगर आप भी चाहते हैं कि आपके बच्चों में ये क्वालिटी और ये कॉन्फिडेंस डेवलप हो, सो आप भी ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं बरी किड्स वे.